All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is in partnership with Allie Gray's Hair. They were so kind enough to send me this 24-inch body wave reddish brownish wig, and it's a frontal as well. I'll leave all the details on the screen. They also sent me some goodies, you guys. They sent me a bonnet and they also sent me a band. Okay, so this is their hair, you guys. This hair is in rags. I have been wearing this hair to work. It's very soft, very long. It's 24 inches, but it's given 26, 28 inches, you guys. Okay, y'all know I'm short, and the hair was very long on me because I did straighten it. I'm gonna go in and show you guys what I use and my exact measurements for bleaching knots, y'all. Sometimes I leave it on for 25 minutes. Sometimes I leave it on for 35 minutes. It just depends on how big the knots are on the wigs that they send me, okay? So I'm going in with the Prism Lights in the blue color, 40 volume developer, and then some bleaching powder. These usually last me about a couple months, you guys. So go ahead and invest in it. It will make the biggest difference in your wig. And what I do is I do go ahead and use a mixing bowl, and I use a knife to mix it, and I just apply it on the lace. Like it's so easy, y'all. Just try not to have a heavy hand. It's so easy. And I leave it on there for about 25 to 35 minutes. Now, if you guys are wondering what the purpose of bleaching the knots are, it's so, like, you ever see a girl walk up to you and you look at her wig and you see the black dots? Bleaching the knots removes the black dots. But if you don't leave the bleach on for long enough, you really ain't even doing nothing. So, yeah, if you don't leave it on long enough, you still will have the black dots. So I would recommend 25 to 35 minutes, depending on how big the knots are. Now, after 25 to 35 minutes, I'm going to go in with some purple shampoo. I use purple shampoo all over the lace just to get rid of the brownish, the brown tone. And also in case you like over bleach your frontal, then you go in with the purple shampoo and it kind of neutralizes that orange look. So you guys will see me do that. I do use the purple shampoo on both sides and I scrub it for a while. And then for shampoo and conditioner, I just use Tresemme, y'all. I get the big bottle from Dollar General, and that's what I use for my wigs. Okay, so this, y'all, this wig bleached perfectly. Like the knots were small. And then I went in and also plucked the wig. And I actually did a good job, y'all. This is my first time plucking the wig, and it actually looked nice. Like usually I'll be messing up, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys my shampoo and wash routine, and then we will get into the install. Y'all, I'm coming to y'all with a beat face already in this video. Let me know if y'all want a makeup routine on this look. But Y'all, I went ahead and installed the wig. I do wish that this lace was transparent lace. As you guys can see, the lace in comparison to my skin was given very gray. So even when I cut off the lace and melt it to my head, it's still gonna look gray at certain angles. So I did wear this wig to work. Actually today, yeah, I wore this wig to work. And, you know, depending on how I turn, the lace does look a little gray. So I would recommend, if you get this wig, to get it with an HD lace, okay? Now I'm going in and removing the makeup off my hairline. You do not want to apply glue with the makeup on your hairline. It's not going to look good, sis. Trust me. So I went ahead and did that, and then I went in with some lash glue. And you guys actually write me a lot and ask me, how does my wig stay on in the 100+ degree Texas weather? And guess what? I'm going to tell you what the tea is. The tea is you need to add more layers, sis. So for this wig install, I did 4 to 5 layers. Now, I did realize my wig glue was getting a little watery, but I just went with it because it was already on my forehead. So, yeah, I do small, kind of medium dots, and then I use a rat tail comb to spread it out wide and thin, okay? I get some glue on the cap and some glue on my hair, on my forehead. And I know some people don't do that, but my wig don't move, okay? It don't move, okay? So I did 5 layers of that, and then you guys will see me melt this wig. And I'm gonna go with a side part and straighten the wig because I haven't had a straight wig in a long time, and this wig actually straightened very beautiful for it to be body wave wig, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you again to Allie Grace for sending me this beautiful wig. I got compliments at work, I got compliments everywhere I went. Y'all was eating this wig up on Instagram. Also, I did an Instagram reel on me installing this wig. You guys go check out my Instagram and y'all will see it. Okay, show some love. But all right, y'all, I'm going to stop talking and let y'all listen to some music. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
I can do it long. I can do it whenever or however you want. I can do it up and down. I can do circles. To him, I'm a gymnast. This room is my circus. I market it so good. They can wait to try. I work it so good. And these niggas try to buy me. They love the way I ride it.
it came through. Just blew me away, lit a fire me for you. Now I'm dancing in my room. Dancing in my room. Just thinking about you. You say it too. Dancing in my room.
Oh, I feel for you. The look in your eyes tells me you do. I know there ain't a chance that I will make a move without you telling me to. Tell me what you wanna do. Everywhere I go, I wanna find. Tell me where you wanna go. Nothing is too far if I'm beside.
Dancing in my room. Thinking about you. You say it too. Dancing in my room. Dancing in my room. Just thinking about you. You say it too. Do you feel the same? You're the golden hour that never ends. I know you alone can make my body feel great. I've been searching everywhere I go, waiting for an answer. Only the wind knows, but it turns out it came